Hi, I'm letter A. The first letter. I have a friend. This is little A.
Hi, I'm little A.
We look different, but we are the same letter. Where can you find me?
Ooh.
A is in apple. A is in ant. Find me everywhere. Let's write. Watch. Down and down. Across. Well done. You learned big A.
And little A.
See you soon. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm letter B, the second letter. Look at my shape. I have a friend. This is little B.
Hi, I'm little B.
We look different, but we are the same letter. We are B. B is in ball. B is in B. Let's write. Watch. Down, bump, bump. Now you try. Well done. You learned. Big B
And little B.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm letter C, the third letter. Look at my shape. I am C. I have a friend. This is little C.
Hi, I'm little C.
We look the same, just different sizes. We are C. C is in cat. C is in car. Let's write. Watch. Curve. Now you try. Well learned. Big C.
And little C.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm letter D, the fourth letter. Look at my shape. I have a friend. This is little D.
Hi, I'm little D.
We look different, but we are the same letter. We are D. D is in dog. D is in duck. Let's write. Watch. Down. Curve. Now you try. Well done. You learned big D.
And little D.
See you soon. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm letter E, the fifth letter. Look at my shape. I have a friend. This is little E.
Hi, I'm little E.
We look different, but we are the same letter. We are E.
We are E.
E is in egg. E is in elephant. Let's write. Watch. Down. Across. 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 Well done. Big E.
And little E.
See you soon. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm letter F, the sixth letter. Look at my shape. I am F. I have a friend. This is little F.
Hi, I'm little F.
We look different, but we are the same letter. We are F. F is in fish. F is in frog. Let's write. Watch. Down. Across. Across. Now you try. Well done. You learned. Big F.
And little F.
See you soon. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm letter G, the seventh letter. Look at my shape. I have a friend. This is little G.
Hi, I'm little G.
We look different, but we are the same letter. We are G. G is in grape. G is in giraffe. Let's write. Watch. Curve. Across. Now you try. Well done. You learned. Big G. And little G. See you soon. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm letter H, the eighth letter. Look at my shape. I am H. Have a friend. This is little H.
Hi, I'm little H.
We look different, but we are the same letter. H is in house. H is in horse. That's right. Watch. Down, down, across. Now you try. Well done, you learned. Big H
And little h.
See you soon. Bye-bye.